So ano nga ba mangyari kapag pinindot ko to? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to episode 24 of Project Code Sprint, where I talk about programming topics for the next 30 days. Let's go. Let's talk about phishing, but hindi yung no, not that. Phishing, PH. Usong-uso to sa Pilipinas at marami ang naloloko. Kapag clinic mo at nag-sign up ka dun sa link na yon, patay. Compromise ang social media mo, yung bank account mo, or ano man yung website ng mga pinupuntahan nyo. Phishing is a scam where attackers pretend to be legit companies. Double check nyo yung sender address, yung spelling at grammar, yung URL especially, at kung may nagmamadali o nananakot sa'yo na pindutin mo na to kasi sayang naman yung opportunity. So ano nga ba mangyari kapag pinindot ko to? This is just for example at wag nyo pong gagayahin. 3, 2, 1.